Top 5 best jump starters and portable air pumps of 2026. Getting stranded because of a dead battery or low tire pressure can ruin your whole day. I looked at the top options available and ranked them based on power, convenience, and overall value. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Auto 10000A Jump Starter with Air Compressor. If you want serious power in one device, the AUTONE Jump Starter deserves attention. It combines a powerful battery booster with an air compressor, making it useful for daily drivers and people who travel long distances. It is designed for both gasoline and diesel vehicles, so it works with many cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. One thing that stands out is the extra power reserve. The unit offers long standby time, which is helpful if you keep it in your trunk for emergencies. The built-in 4-start mode is another nice touch because older batteries can be difficult to revive with ordinary jump packs. Massive starting power, built-in tire inflator, long standby battery life. The design is compact enough for storage, although it is larger than some simple jump starters. It also doubles as a power bank, which can be useful during road trips. Drivers in the United States who spend time on highways or remote roads may appreciate having both a jumper and tire inflator together. While it costs more than basic models, the added convenience makes it a solid choice for people who want a complete roadside solution. Number 4. ZEVZO ET0 3-Car Jump Starter. The ZEVZO ET0 3 focuses on simplicity and reliability. It delivers enough power for many common vehicles and supports multiple jump starts from one charge. That makes it a practical companion for everyday use. Its compact body is easy to store inside the glove compartment or trunk. The large display is easy to read, which helps during stressful situations. Many people like having an included storage case because it keeps everything organized. 4,000 amp peak output, easy to read display, portable compact design. Another benefit is versatility. It works with cars, motorcycles, boats, lawn equipment, and light trucks. For drivers who want dependable performance without spending too much money, this model offers strong value. The only drawback is that it lacks a built-in air compressor, so you may need a separate tire pump for complete roadside support. Number 3. Anti-Hot Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Not everyone needs a heavy-duty jump starter. Sometimes a fast and portable air pump is all you need. The Anti-Hot Tire Inflator focuses on speed and convenience, making it a useful addition to any car. Its cordless design makes operation simple. You are not limited by cables, and the automatic shut-off function helps prevent overinflation. The dual power system is another feature that adds peace of mind because you can rely on either the battery or the vehicle adapter. Fast 150 psi inflation, automatic shut-off function, dual power operation. This compact air pump works with car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment. It is also easy to carry during road trips. For families or commuters, having a portable air compressor can save time compared with visiting a gas station. Since it is mainly an inflator, it cannot replace a jump starter, but it performs its intended task very well. Number 2. Tsui Mini Bike Tire Pump. Cyclists and electric bike owners will appreciate the compact size of the Tsui Mini Bike Tire Pump. It is surprisingly small, yet it delivers impressive airflow. The lightweight design means it can fit easily inside a bag or backpack. Its brushless motor helps provide faster inflation, making roadside tire adjustments quick and easy. The digital gauge is simple to understand, and the automatic stop feature helps maintain the correct pressure. Ultra compact design, digital pressure gauge, fast inflation performance. People who enjoy cycling across cities or trails may find this model especially useful, since many riders in the United States rely on bicycles for exercise and commuting. A portable pump like this can prevent unexpected delays. Although it produces some heat during operation, the speed and portability make it a strong option for cyclists who need a dependable travel companion. Number 1. Best pick, Amflag 10 in 1-car jump starter with air compressor. The Amflag 10 in 1 jump starter earns the top spot because it delivers more than just emergency starting power. This device combines several useful tools into one package, making it one of the most versatile roadside accessories available. Its powerful battery support can handle both gasoline engines and large diesel vehicles. The built-in air compressor removes the need to carry a separate pump. Fast charging capabilities also help keep phones, tablets, and other electronics ready during travel. 10-in-1 multifunction design, 8,000 amp starting power, fast charging support. Another highlight is the powerful emergency lighting system. Whether you experience a breakdown at night or need additional visibility, the multiple lighting modes add extra safety. The included accessories make it feel like a complete roadside emergency kit. Drivers who frequently travel long distances or take family road trips may appreciate having so many functions inside one compact device. Instead of carrying several tools, this unit combines them into one convenient package. The value for money is excellent, which is why it stands out as the best overall choice for 2026. Final verdict. If I had to recommend one product for most drivers, the Amflag 10-in-1 car jump starter would easily be the top choice. It combines powerful jump starting, tire inflation, all-around companion for the road. For people who mainly need a compact and affordable option, the ZEVZO ET03 is a great alternative thanks to its reliable performance and easy portability. No matter which model fits your needs, be sure to check the links in the description for current prices and more details before making your decision.